I didn't realize how much we would enjoy having separate closets. I don't think that we can ever go back at this point. And also the walk-in pantry was, it was pretty unexpected that we liked it so much, but we have so much more storage and space than we had previously. My name is Cayce Bryan, and I'm in the Britton Farms community. We thought the home buying process was really great. Part of my job with Tabor is to talk people through the process, but it was totally a different experience being on the other side of it, and it gave me a lot of perspective that I was glad to gain. I realized how scary it can be when it's your family and your money on the line, and so I was really grateful to experience this process with a company like Tabor. I did not shop any other builders or any used homes in my new home search. I knew the quality from the beginning that Homes by Tabor can offer. I think it says a lot about a company when plenty of their employees purchase their homes. I think that speaks for itself. I know the process is firsthand, more so than maybe a regular home buyer because I have the advantage of working for the company, but I know that ethics are at the center of every decision made, and I can see that playing out for myself as a home buyer as well as for the home buyers that we help every day. A huge part of that is not including a price escalation clause in our contract. So they're protecting buyers from the jump by saying this is the price that we both agreed upon and we're not going to raise it. I think that that alone has helped a lot of families, including ours, move forward in purchasing a home that otherwise they might not have been able to. We love so many things about our Tabor home. I love the bathtub, that's my favorite, and as a family we really enjoy the front porch as well as the covered patio and the wood-burning fireplace. We've done s'mores out there a couple times. Of course I would recommend Homes by Tabor to my friends and family. It's what I do for a living. So yeah, of course I would. We are trying to convince some friends to move in our neighborhood, so we'll see.